sure we got all our ingredients in. I'm just releasing our little cans here. You can see sometimes it's tough to get stuff out of there. I'm gonna start giving this a stir here. We've got our mixed chili beans. We got some ground beef. We have got our hot dogs. We've got ketchup, mustard, Rotel. We've got green chilies, a little bit of barbecue sauce for that sweet flavor. Now you could add some brown sugar to this if you'd like. Actually, I know what I'm gonna add. I'm gonna pop in some chili powder. Give this some good flavor. It's funny, this is a new chili powder, but it does seem like it's almost so full. There we go. It's having a hard time getting out. In that case, you just gotta take her lid off. All right, we're just gonna get this more and more stirred and combined. Now, there are two options with this dish. You could always use a little smoky, or you can buy a hot dog if the hot dog's on sale. That's what I like to do. One thing that you might need to do though, if you get these whole hot dogs that are on sale, you might need to just give them a trim because it is kind of hard to stir everything once you've got your hot dogs in there. They were kind of giving me trouble preventing the whole stirring from happening. So I'm just gonna reach down. I'm doing this blindly, but I can feel them in there. These were the jumbo wieners, but you can get whatever variety you like. If you like an Oscar Mayer, I like to just get whatever's on sale. All right, I'm gonna come back in for another chance at my stir here now. Oh, I see some big hot dogs are still hiding from me down there. You know what? They seem like they're a little broken up. They just didn't fully separate because they like each other so much. They were sticking together. Look at that. Oh, and these beautiful colors. We got our fresh bell peppers, fresh onion. We just cooked up our ground beef, pre-cooked it. I like to do it that way, but you can really do it any way that you like. All right, now that our wieners are all in smaller pieces and we just got this better incorporated, you can see I'm just on wiener patrol to make sure there's no big ones hiding out anymore. Like I said, you can always use a little smoky if you don't want to have to cut your own wieners. All right, we did pre-cook up some potatoes here. I'm just gonna add those in. Beautiful. Now I'm just kind of pulling things from my cheese drawer. I had some sharp cheddar and some Mexican blend. Just add that all in. Beautiful. I'll just fold in a little bit of those potatoes and cheese. Now you could leave the potatoes out, put this over a baked potato if you prefer. It's all about preference. It's all about choice. That's what's so beautiful about this life. Now I'm bringing in my grate. I'm just gonna pop this bad boy up on here. Gonna cover it up and let that all melt and combine. Alrighty, y'all. That was about 15 minutes. Who's hungry? Alrighty, y'all, dinner is served. Now this is perfect for if you're camping or just at home. It's easy enough for a weeknight. Ooh, look at this, like delicious, delicious chili. We got plenty of protein and flavor, packed with protein and flavor. We've got our extra ground beef, some potatoes, lots of cheese, those bell peppers, our hot dogs. Y'all, I cannot wait to grab a bite of this. Mmm. 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 Y'all, this is so easy and so good. You've definitely got to try it.